Taiwan is a small island but offers a wealth of surprises. It is the paradise for bubble tea enthusiasts, where you can enjoy the authentic taste of this globally renowned beverage. Taiwan is also recognized as one of the safest countries in the world, and many women here prefer to marry foreigners. The efficient healthcare system ensures lifelong care for all citizens. Additionally, free Wi Fi is available in every nook and corner, making it convenient to stay connected. What more could you ask for than to explore stunning untouched islands and immerse yourself in a vibrant culture? All this and more can be experienced in our travel documentary. Let's embark on your journey to discover Taiwan right away. Nestled on the western edge of the Pacific Ocean, positioned between China and Japan, Taiwan, officially known as the Republic of China, ROC, ranks as one of the most developed and dynamic islands across the globe. Spanning an area of roughly 36,197 square kilometers, it is slightly larger than the state of Maryland in the US. Almost 70% of the island is mountainous, boasting over 260 peaks that rise beyond 3,000 meters, with Yushan towering at 3,952 meters, making it the highest peak in Northeast Asia and taller than any mountain in Japan or South Korea. Despite its compact size, Taiwan wields a significant global influence, particularly in technology. It is home to TSMC, the largest chip manufacturer in the world, supplying components to major companies like Apple and Nvidia, among others. If you are aware of any mountain in Asia that exceeds the height of Yushan, do leave a comment. Taiwan's climate is certainly surprising, showcasing a blend of subtropical weather in the north and tropical conditions in the south. A pleasant day in Taipei might remind one of New Orleans, while summers in southern Taiwan are hot and humid, akin to Miami. But the most astonishing aspect, just a 2-hour drive from the sunlit beaches, can take you to snow-capped peaks in winter. Currently, Taiwan has a population of about 23.5 million, which surpasses that of New York City, all on land that is roughly 1/4 the size of California. The majority of the population are Han Chinese, making up 97%, while indigenous communities account for around 2.3%. These groups have their own rich cultures, distinct languages, and vibrant festivals. In terms of language, Mandarin Chinese serves as the main language, but interestingly, most Taiwanese also converse in Hokkien, a language originating from southern China that is quite prevalent in the Chinese community in the US. Additionally, one may hear Hakka, the language of some indigenous tribes, as well as English, which is gaining popularity, especially in the larger cities. Taiwan's history is quite tumultuous. Over the centuries, the island has been governed by various powers, including the Dutch, Spanish, the Qing dynasty, China, and Japan. At present, Taiwan is not officially recognized as an independent nation, but it is also not considered part of China. Taiwan has its own military and governance structures and does not rely on China. The people of Taiwan assertively declare that Taiwan is a self-governing and independent nation, distinct from China. As you stroll through the streets of Taiwan, you'll come across bustling bubble tea shops with long queues of customers patiently waiting for their turn. It's no wonder, considering Taiwan is the birthplace of bubble tea, a drink that has captured hearts worldwide. Bubble tea is more than just a drink. It's woven into the fabric of Taiwanese culture, intricately linked to the daily lives of the locals. Amazingly, people in Taiwan consume such a vast amount of bubble tea that over 1 billion cups are enjoyed on the island each year, averaging nearly 50 cups per person annually. So, what makes Taiwan's bubble tea so unique? It's all about the fresh ingredients and the plethora of over 100 different flavor variations. From the classic bubble tea with chewy tapioca, pearls to inventive versions like seawater bubble tea, cheese bubble tea, or matcha bubble tea. A noteworthy feature is the ability to customize the sweetness level, ice quantity, and even the texture of the tapioca pearls, a rarity in other parts of the world. Bubble tea enjoys immense popularity, not just locally, but has also evolved into a billion-dollar industry with Taiwanese brands such as Chatime, Tiger Sugar, Gongcha, and 50 Land making their mark globally. These days, from New York to Paris and London to Sydney, you can find bubble tea shops brimming with Taiwanese flavors, highlighting the undeniable allure of this beverage. If you're looking to meet Taiwanese girls, popular spots like Simending in Taipei or Fengjia Night Market in Taichung are excellent choices. You will find long queues of people outside popular bubble tea shops. What really catches the eye is the sight of Taiwanese women with smooth, fair skin, bright eyes, and radiant smiles, excitedly waiting for their favorite bubble tea. They chat and laugh, snapping pictures with their cups of bubble tea topped with smooth, frothy cream or glistening tapioca pearls that reflect the city lights. However, do not be misled by their innocent charm. Taiwanese women are among the most independent and accomplished in Asia. Taiwan was the first country in the region to have a female president, Tsai Ing-wen, who has transformed Taiwan into a leading hub for technology and innovation. More than 50% of Taiwanese women are employed in the sectors of technology, finance, and education, demonstrating that they not only care about their appearance, but also invest significantly in their careers. The confidence of Taiwanese women is evident in their lifestyles. While strolling through shopping malls in Taipei, you'll notice them donning trendy outfits that combine Korean, Japanese fashion, and their own distinctive Taiwanese style. They enjoy shopping, caring for themselves, and paying special attention to their health. Taiwan is one of the largest cosmetics markets in Asia, where skincare products with natural ingredients are extremely popular. What keeps them looking youthful? A healthy diet, rich in herbal tea, tofu, and low-fat foods, along with advanced beauty techniques. So don't be surprised if many Taiwanese women appear a decade younger than their actual age. However, it's not just about beauty and success. Taiwanese women are also renowned for their warmth and thoughtfulness. If you ask for directions, they will be more than willing to provide detailed guidance with lovely smiles and may even take you there if they have the time. They strike a balance between traditional Asian charm and modern strength, instilling confidence and assurance. Taiwanese women are drawn to romantic and free-spirited foreign men, and this trend is growing in popularity. Statistics indicate that 1 in every 10 marriages in Taiwan involves a Taiwanese person marrying a foreigner. Notably, Taiwanese women tend to marry foreign men at a higher rate than Taiwanese men marry foreign women. Over 65% of these cross-border marriages are between Taiwanese women and men from Japan, the US, Canada, and European nations. Taiwanese women value equality, respect, and a sophisticated approach in marriage, which they often find in Western men. Furthermore, many Taiwanese women have a passion for an international lifestyle. They are fluent in English, enjoy traveling, and are keen to immerse themselves in different cultures. Additionally, the standard of living and economic opportunities in Western countries are appealing, especially for those seeking to start afresh outside Taiwan. If you wish to connect with Taiwanese girls through dating apps or social media and would like some tips to win their hearts, please drop a comment with the number 8 and we will share the answers with you. These aspects have fostered a vibrant community of foreigners in Taiwan. As of now, over 800,000 foreigners reside and work on this island, hailing from various parts of the globe, particularly the US, the UK, Canada, and Japan. Interestingly, many of them initially came for short-term travel or to teach English, but eventually grew fond of life here and chose to stay long-term. Taiwan is regarded as one of the top destinations globally for foreigners to live, largely due to its reasonable cost of living, efficient transportation, and some of the friendliest people in Asia. You might spot expatriates enjoying coffee in the Tianmu area, which is famous for its European-style eateries, or relishing a steaming bowl of beef noodles at the Shilin night market around midnight. It's not unusual to encounter an American teacher by day, imparting English lessons while moonlighting as a DJ at night. Notably, the startup ecosystem in Taipei is flourishing, drawing many entrepreneurs from Silicon Valley eager to test their ideas. If you're interested in connecting with the foreign community in Taiwan, please leave a comment with the number 9 and your country's name, and we'll respond to you in the comments below. Today, Taiwan stands as one of the most progressive democracies in Asia, boasting a free and transparent electoral system alongside an open press. The people of Taiwan enjoy the freedom to express their views, engage in vibrant political discussions, and elect their leaders in a democratic manner, which is quite rare in many other Asian nations. Although Taiwan is not an official member of the United Nations, it is still a significant economy with extensive trade links across the globe. The US and several European countries maintain unofficial relations with Taiwan, making the island an essential partner in the global technology supply chain. Taiwan leads the world in the production of electronics and semiconductors, holding over 70% of the market share for high-end chips. These components are vital for smartphones, computers, cars, and numerous other digital devices. Companies in Taiwan manufacture over 80% of personal computers and 90% of servers worldwide. Despite a complicated historical relationship with China, Taiwan has secured its reputation as one of the most innovative economies globally. When you arrive in Taipei, Taiwan, you will quickly notice the modern advancements of this nation. Chief among them is the impressive Taipei 101, the tallest building in Taiwan and a proud symbol of its people. No matter where you are in Taipei, you are likely to spot this towering skyscraper reaching for the sky. Completed in 2004, Taipei 101 once held the title of the tallest building in the world at 508 meters, surpassing the Empire State Building in New York. Interestingly, even though it no longer holds the record for the tallest building, Taipei 101 is still the greenest skyscraper in the world, having achieved LEED Platinum certification due to its advanced energy-saving technologies. The structure is engineered to withstand earthquakes of up to 7 on the Richter scale and severe storms, courtesy of a massive 660-ton tuned mass damper suspended between the 87th and 92nd floors. This is the world's largest damping system, helping Taipei 101 resist the formidable forces of nature. Today, Taipei 101 is not just the financial heart of Taiwan, but also one of the most captivating tourist attractions worldwide. Every year, millions of visitors queue up to access the observation deck on the 89th floor, where they can enjoy breathtaking views of the entire city of Taipei. If you happen to be there on New Year's Eve, brace yourself for one of the most spectacular fireworks displays on the planet, as Taipei 101 transforms into a gigantic firework tower, exploding with vibrant colors against the night sky. Taipei, being the economic, cultural, and political hub of Taiwan, stands as one of the most appealing destinations, showcasing a harmonious blend of modernity and tradition. Here, you can marvel at skyscrapers like Taipei 101, once the tallest in the world, while also exploring ancient temples like Longshan, which are hundreds of years old. Notably, the National Palace Museum is home to over 700,000 treasures from the imperial dynasties of China, making it a must-visit cultural gem. If you prefer a more vibrant atmosphere, the areas of Jimending and Dan are alive with bustling streets, bright lights, and an energetic pace of life. However, Taiwan offers much more beyond just Taipei. It boasts one of the most diverse travel ecosystems in Asia. You can visit Sun Moon Lake, which is the largest freshwater lake in Taiwan, where you can paddle a boat or cycle while soaking in breathtaking mountain views. If you are a nature lover, do explore Alishan, a pristine forest renowned for its ancient railway and centuries-old cedar trees. And of course, the night market culture is not to be missed. Recognized as Asia's street food paradise, famous night markets like Shilin Night Market in Taipei and Luhe Night Market in Kaohsiung not only serve delectable food, but also offer numerous entertainment options and shopping experiences. If you enjoy the beach, Taiwan has beautiful coastlines and unspoiled islands, Genting in the south is often referred to as the Hawaii of Taiwan, with its blue waters, white sands, and beach music festivals. Furthermore, the Penghu Islands, comprising over 90 small islands, are perfect for any beach tourism enthusiast, featuring pristine beaches and serving as a paradise for water sports such as scuba diving and surfing. You can also visit Xiaoliuqiu Island, often referred to as Taiwan's gemstone, thanks to its breathtaking coral reefs and unique rock formations, along with the fascinating sea turtles. Taiwan is truly an ideal destination, blending a vibrant urban life with magnificent natural beauty, promising unforgettable experiences for every kind of traveler. Moreover, Taiwan is a year-round festival hotspot. If you are fond of mystique, the Pink Sea Lantern Festival will leave you spellbound. Thousands of sky lanterns are released into the night, creating a picturesque scene straight out of a fairy tale. Each lantern carries the wishes of participants, transforming the Taiwanese sky at this time into a vibrant canvas of hope and dreams. Another must-not-miss celebration is the Lunar New Year, when the entire island is alive with a joyful atmosphere filled with blessings. Streets are decorated in bright red, temples are buzzing with people praying for good fortune, and the air is alive with the sounds of firecrackers and lively lion dances. Notably, it is customary for Taiwanese people to exchange red envelopes filled with money to wish each other a prosperous new year. With such unique and captivating festivals, Taiwan is undoubtedly a cultural paradise, where every season has an exciting event eagerly waiting for you. Additionally, Taiwan is a culinary haven ripe for exploration. If you think bubble tea is the only thing this island nation is famous for, you'll be pleasantly surprised to discover that Taiwan is one of the most renowned food destinations in the world. Particularly remarkable are the night markets in Taiwan, where street food truly comes alive, boasting over 20 large and small markets spread throughout the country. Here, you can relish a range of delicacies, from the exquisite Xiaolongbao from Din Tai Fung, which has a rich history of hundreds of years, to innovative street foods like giant fried chicken, oyster omelets, and the infamous stinky tofu, a brave challenge for many travelers. Taiwanese cuisine beautifully reflects a mix of Chinese, Japanese, and Western influences, creating flavors that are both familiar and unique. If you have a penchant for fresh seafood, make your way to Keelung Fish Market, where you'll discover a plethora of Taiwanese-style seafood dishes. Moreover, for those who prefer vegetarian options, Taiwan boasts over 6,000 vegetarian restaurants, making it a paradise for those on a meat-free diet. Whether you are a food enthusiast or simply looking to immerse yourself in a new culture, Taiwan will enchant you with its offerings right from the very first bite. While exploring Taiwan, you can be assured of your safety, as it is considered one of the safest countries in the world, with low crime rates and a peaceful living environment. In fact, Taiwan was ranked as one of the safest nations globally in 2016. Importantly, private gun ownership is not permitted here, which significantly reduces instances of street violence. The security system is rigorously managed, with police routinely patrolling to maintain a stable atmosphere for residents and visitors alike. One notable feature that astonishes many visitors is that if you happen to leave your wallet or phone in a cafe or on the metro, the chances of recovering it are nearly guaranteed. The people of Taiwan are renowned for their honesty and strong sense of community, always ready to assist others. Moreover, you can feel completely confident in the modern healthcare system here. Citizens have the liberty to choose any doctor they wish for consultations, with medical records stored in a smart system that enables doctors to provide precise advice and prescriptions. Importantly, health insurance covers most medical expenses, and this applies even to foreigners holding resident cards. This makes Taiwan one of the most accessible and reliable healthcare service providers worldwide. Taiwan's education system is equally commendable. With a mix of American practical knowledge and Japanese discipline, the education system here fosters independent, creative, and disciplined individuals. Taiwanese students are encouraged to engage in self-directed learning, exploration, and personal development, Interestingly, despite this exceptional education system, Taiwan has the lowest birth rate in the world, a paradox that the government is actively trying to address. Technology also stands as a significant pride for Taiwan. The government makes substantial investments in digital infrastructure, with over 5,000 free iTaiwan Wi-Fi hotspots available across the country. With just a simple online registration, travelers can easily access the internet, book hotel rooms, find directions, or share memorable moments instantly. The impressive advancements in healthcare, education, and technology have positioned Taiwan as one of the most livable countries in Asia, offering a modern, safe, and convenient environment, an ideal destination for both tourists and those wishing to settle here long term. Every year, Taiwan welcomes around 20 million tourists and retirees. Have you ever wondered why? It's because the cost of living in Taiwan is quite affordable. Living in Taiwan provides a unique blend of affordability and modern conveniences, making it an appealing destination for many. On average, the cost of living in Taiwan is approximately 31.4% lower than in the United States. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in the city center of Taipei typically costs around $450 to $780 per month, depending on the location and amenities. If you choose accommodations outside the city center, this expense can be reduced to around $300 to $500 per month. Monthly utility bills, which include electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage, average about $100 for a standard-sized apartment. High-speed internet services are available for approximately $25 to $40 per month. Taiwan is also famous for its vibrant culinary scene. A meal at an inexpensive restaurant averages around $5, while a 3-course meal for two at a mid-range restaurant costs about $32. Monthly grocery expenses for a single individual generally fall between $200 to $300, depending on one's eating habits. The public transport system in Taiwan is both efficient and economical. A monthly pass for public transport in Taipei costs around $40. If you are considering personal transport, petrol prices hover around $1 per liter. A monthly gym subscription averages about $45, while routine medical checkups are quite affordable, especially under Taiwan's national health insurance system. In summary, a single person can expect to spend anywhere between $720 to $1,300 a month to live comfortably in Taiwan, which includes dining out, entertainment, and other leisure activities. This budget is significantly lower compared to many Western countries, making it an attractive option for those looking for quality living at a lesser cost. Given such expenses, would you consider making this your home? If yes, select 1. If no, choose 0. Kindly share your answer in the comments. At this stage, you might be contemplating a trip to Taiwan for tourism or retirement. Please remember to prepare your documents and the necessary visa requirements for traveling to Taiwan. For American citizens intending to visit Taiwan, the visa process is quite simple. US passport holders can enter Taiwan without a visa for stays of up to 90 days. Ensure that your passport remains valid for the entire duration of your visit. Upon your arrival, you will be required to show a confirmed return or onward ticket. Please note that extensions or changes of status are not allowed under this visa-exempt entry. If you are contemplating longer stays for work, study, or retirement, it is crucial to secure the appropriate visa before you arrive. The specific requirements and application processes can differ based on the reason for your stay. It is advisable to consult the Taipei Economic and Cultural Representative Office in the United States for the latest information and guidance. Similarly, citizens from many European countries can enter Taiwan without a visa for stays of up to 90 days. However, for longer stays or purposes beyond tourism, it is wise to reach out to the relevant Taiwanese representative office in your country to understand the required visa regulations. By planning ahead and ensuring you have the proper documentation, your journey to Taiwan will be smooth and enjoyable. We have journeyed through the experience of living in Taiwan together. We look forward to having you join us on our future adventures to explore the world. Until next time.